The top 10 most serious dangers to our environment now provide a harsh picture of the problems we confront in maintaining our world. Each of these dangers poses a serious environmental and human health risk, requiring prompt attention and response. 1. Climate change. The unavoidable rise in global temperatures caused by CO2 emissions from burning fossil fuels is having catastrophic effects. Climate change's effects range from extreme weather events to rising sea levels, endangering the health and safety of communities worldwide. 2. Biodiversity loss. Human actions such as deforestation and pollution are causing our planet's beautiful tapestry of life to unravel alarmingly. As habitats are lost and species perish, ecosystems become unbalanced, resulting in a cascade of environmental issues. 3. Pollution. Pollution, whether in the form of toxic vapors or contaminated water, seriously threatens human health and the environment. The air we breathe and the water we rely on for living are becoming increasingly contaminated with dangerous contaminants, causing widespread disease and environmental damage. 4. Water scarcity. As the world's population expands and water needs rise, many countries are experiencing severe shortages. Climate change exacerbates the situation by making water supplies even scarcer and pushing vulnerable people to the edge of survival. 5. Plastic pollution. Our oceans have become landfills for plastic garbage, harming marine life and fouling delicate ecosystems. From plastic bags to microplastics, plastic's widespread presence endangers the survival of innumerable species and ecosystems. 6. Deforestation. The ongoing destruction of forests for agriculture, logging, and urban development is depriving our planet of critical habitats and increasing climate change. As trees cut down at an alarming rate, the carbon they contain is released into the atmosphere, contributing to global warming. 7. Overfishing. The persistent search for fish stocks depletes our oceans and threatens marine ecosystems. Overfishing threatens the lives of millions who rely on fishing and disturbs delicate marine food networks, resulting in ecological collapse. 8. Urban development. Cities' unrestrained expansion is taking up natural ecosystems and aggravating environmental degradation. We need highly sustainable leaders, planners, and engineers to develop our cities and not turn them into pollution and ecological damage hotbeds. 9. Energy transition. Our prolonged reliance on fossil fuels accelerates climate change and worsens environmental damage. Transitioning to renewable energy is crucial for lowering greenhouse gas emissions and protecting the Earth for future generations. 10. Antimicrobial resistance. The abuse of antibiotics in humans, animals, and crops is accelerating the spread of antibiotic-resistant bacteria, posing a serious threat to public health and food security. Unless we take immediate action to reverse this hazardous trend, common illnesses will soon become untreatable, resulting in widespread illness and suffering. As we face these problems, remember that the fate of our environment is inseparably connected to the well-being of all living things on Earth. We must safeguard and preserve our treasured natural environment for future generations. Let us be guided by compassion and understanding as we address these threats, mindful that our choices now will influence the world, and our children and grandchildren will inherit tomorrow. Together, we can make a difference by performing tiny acts of kindness and conservation. In the face of adversity, let us stand together in our determination to protect our planet. Stay tuned for more.